Hi, it's Michael from California Travel Videos, and today, well, we're inside. Yes, I'm going to be taking a look at a new drone. So I guess maybe time was running out on this test is what it was telling me. Come on, let me continue. For some reason I'm having a little problem to hit some of these buttons. I kind of wonder if this is a GUI problem. The graphical user interface is preventing me from going to the next screen. I may have to figure this one out, but I got a lot of battery anyway. Since I'm stymied, I just kind of went back and started the DJI 4 app. I'm not sure what's going on there, but it says, yeah, go ahead and update the firmware on the controller, so maybe this is going to help, who knows. 32%, 33%. It's going to be a little while, isn't it? So, well, that's an encouraging sound. So it's doing its thing. 46%. I'm hearing noises. Is this good things happening? %. It's going to be a little bit. Twiddle thumbs. 72%. That's another good sign. Come on, keep it up there, big boy. Yeah, it said the controller was on version 1.0000, something like that. So, yeah, apparently somewhere in the process, and this happens to me, I think almost every time, you go through these different sequences of all the updates, and somehow I was human. So you may be also when you do this, or maybe you can put in the comments below on what I could have done to maybe prevent this. But I guess the point of the story is you have to have the DJI Assistant 2 on the latest version. You have to have the DJI Go 4 on the current. We have to have the controller on the most current, which is what it's doing now. And you have to, like we did when we connected the DJI Assistant 2 with a cable to the Mavic Air directly, has to be. So all four of those must be in. Okay, update is complete. Okay, let's see if we can go through now. Enter device. Connect with the aircraft. Wi-Fi connection is connected. I hope it's not going to make me take the test again, do you think? I won't make you endure that if I have to. Now it says it already has the Wi-Fi connection. It's saying it wants another connection. So I guess I'm going to have to do a wired connection also. So we're going to have to... Isn't this so fun? Gosh. Yeah, I was going to make it easy for you all, but this is what happens. So we're going to take the connection cable and we're going to put it to the controller. We're going to take the other side, which, remember, we've removed that little connector here. We no longer need the USB-C to a micro. And I think we just connect right in the back here with this blinking yellow light right in my eye. Okay. And it should go either way. Okay, that seems to be seated. Okay, we have a wired connection. Okay, and unfold the arms. Yes, we've done that. Next. Yes, we got the jaws out. We got it connected. Yes. Okay, press and hold the function button at the rear until you hear a beep. That's the yellow light. I heard a beep. Tap the link button below the link, or below to link to the RC. The link button is where? You know, I don't think I'm familiar with where the link button is on this little guy. I know where it is on my Mavic Pro. Link button. I don't think it's the one in the back there, is it? That's okay, we're going to have to do a little research. Come on, Google, be my friend. Drives me crazy. Okay, I did a reboot. I think I see what the problem is, and I'll explain it here. We'll see if this is true. So we're to the spot where it says link the RC. Number 1, press and hold the function button at the rear of the aircraft until you hear a beep. Okay. Tap the link button below to link to the RC. I'm looking for link buttons. They're talking about just the link button here on this app page. So shame on me. I was looking for the link over on the Mavic. It's I wish they would have said tap the link button on the Smartphone DJI Go 4 app, but they didn't say that. So okay, I'm going to press the link button down below, and it's not doing anything. I've kind of noticed that with my iPhone 10, the way the GUI, the graphic user interface, is designed, it's maybe has a little problem connecting. I'm going to take it out of the JAWS just to make sure that it isn't somehow pressing on it somewhere, but I think I've got a problem with my software here that's not going to be compatible with this doggone app. So what if I hit the X? I get to start all over. Ah! Okay, I'll come back when I've got some solutions, or take a night off, we'll see. Okay, after a minute or two, I think I did make a breakthrough. I thought, you know, I'm just going to not try the wired connection. I'm going to leave the wired connection cable on just in case I need it, but I'm going to go back and try the Wi-Fi connection. It says press the function button at the rear of the aircraft for 4 seconds when you do the wireless connection. Tap next after connecting to the aircraft's Wi-Fi. Well, okay. So, yeah, that's a little different method. Let's see what happens there. So I'm going to go back to iPhone settings, Wi-Fi, looking for the Mavic. I had the password in before, so I should be okay. By the way, I noticed in the manual where it says you should have your controller within 18 inches, a foot and a half, of the Mavic, just in case there's other Wi-Fi's, or in other words, it's not going to be a very strong connection between the two. So, okay, there is a connection, and on the iPhone it says no internet connection. Right, because I'm connecting to this. I'm not connected to the internet. But that's fine. So don't be misled like that, like I almost got tricked. Go back to the DJI, and it says then hit complete. Well, okay. Fully charge the battery before. I know. Yes. Okay. Connection successful. Complete. Complete. Switch Wi-Fi settings. Your aircraft is flying in different country region. Aircraft settings will reset according to local regulations. Please reconnect later. Yes. The knowledge quiz. Oh, I guess I get to do this again. Congratulations, you passed the quiz. Done. Okay, update now for the database. Well, we've already done that, but okay, we'll do it again. Download now. 100%. Please connect to the aircraft to continue updating. Okay. Start update. Please connect to the aircraft to continue updating. Okay. Again. Please connect to the aircraft to play updating. What do you mean? I am updated. I mean, I am connected. This is the definition of insanity. Okay, what does it mean? What does it want me to do? How can I get more connected? Go back and check my iPhone settings. Oh, it did. It bounced back to the local network, so I got to go back and once again connect to Mavic Air. I tell you, DJI, you got to find a better way to do this stuff. This is not good. It was connected, and I haven't touched anything. Does it disconnect now? Okay, start update. Okay, start update. Okay, 0%, 1%, 3%. how much battery we've got left. Oh, I did put a new battery in. I didn't mention that. It's like, I thought, you know, I should put one of these other batteries. See, it's a good idea to have this fly more combo, isn't it? Update complete. Well, that wasn't so bad. It has been less than 48 hours since your purse activated. You can still purchase the DJI Refresh now. X. No, I don't want to. Start flight. Can you believe that? We have a connection. Yeah! Well, that was easy, wasn't it? Not. Okay, we're going to calibrate the compass. Oh, I guess we can take off the wired connection now. Jeez. And we're going to go ahead and do a calibrate. Begin calibration. So we're going to turn it around 360 degrees counterclockwise. I don't think it ever matters, but they say it now. It used to be they didn't say. Then we're going to face it down. We're going to go 360 degrees with it facing down with our compass dance. And when it gets a double flashing green light, this is good. We are ready to fly. And as we take a look at the application, we can see that, yes, we're looking at you there. We're looking at me. Okay. And so we do have functionality at long last, and I think that is quite enough for now. So what am I going to do next? Well, I'm going to put on my registration information to be a good young man here with the FAA, and we'll talk more about the navigational menu. And I think that's about it for right now. So I hope you enjoyed this show, and I'm looking forward to later on today, because it's already past midnight, to getting up bright-eyed and bushy-tailed tomorrow and doing some flight. So I'm going to go through some of the settings, but what we're going to do next is go out and get a pano series. So Grace said, hey, let's take the Mavic Air. I'm sure it'll be a simple thing. Just go ahead and get it powered up. Well, no, she knows that this oftentimes is this type of a process. So if you have problems, you know, be patient, hang in there. But looking out to getting a pano sequence, and hopefully over some, you know, mustard fields that are come out this time of year. So that's my story. I'm sticking to it. I hope you enjoyed the show, and look forward to your comments, suggestions, and we'll see you soon on the flip side. Peace out. Bye for now.
Have you been to California? Seen the sights and people there?